Hi everybody. Uh, uh, Good morning to all. The today's session is AI in human resource management.
Some disturbance is coming, sir. Please mute the network.
Hello. 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 Shall I start the session, sir?
Yes, sir. I request you to please kindly start the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Today, this session. Today, this session tracks the following things. First thing is an introduction to AI in HR management. Then AI application in recruitment and talent acquisition. AI in employee onboarding and offboarding. AI for employee engagement and retention. AI in performance management, ethical and legal considerations, challenges and limitations in using AI, then future trends and possibilities. Finally, we discuss case studies and best practices and conclusions. First thing, artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the field of human resource management, enabling HR professionals to streamline the process of enhance employee experience and drive organizational success. Before we proceed to AI, we must know what is HR. We are often saying the word HR. Human resource often referred to as HR for all activities related to the ongoing administration of current employees. HR is a department at a company responsible for people-related functions such as recruiting, hiring, training, and administrating employee compensation and benefits. HR can go by many names depending on the organization, from HR to people management to employee relations. The HR function is vital to the success of organization because may also be responsible for employee engagement, hiring, and retention outcome of a company's most valuable resource, its employees, that means its people. There are many tasks and HR department may handle, and depending on the size of organization, the size of organization decides the size of HRs. These various activities may be handled by a few people, a large team, or even outsourced like a third party for an organization. HR, what the HRs do? HR doing human resource planning, labor law compliance, recruitment, candidate selection and hiring, onboarding and offboarding, compensation planning, performance management, learning and development, career planning, function and job role evaluation, employee rewards and recognition, benefits management, industrial relations, employee engagement and communication, employee record keeping. Just a minute. I will share the PPT. Is it viewable to all? Here, first we discuss about the HR. Uh, the HRs do employee engagement and communication, employee record keeping, workforce health and safety, employee well-being, employer branding, payrolls and taxes. These all roles are done by the human resource department. For a small organization, it is easy to handling, but not at all easy for all organizations because even every organization has different types of goals and different types of works. So this is the main thing to handling the employees for an organization's success. But handling the HR data and the employees is if the people's are in a huge number means it is difficult to handle and it will take more time. Then five types of human resources. What are the five types means? Recruitment and staffing. Staffing and recruitment cannot exist without each other, but they are not same. Recruiting is process of searching and obtaining prospective candidates for the job. The best candidates are chosen through the selection process, which is the part of staffing. Companies use internal and external recruiting teams to attract, engage, the hire the top candidates. In internal recruitment, current employees can be offered promotions or other position within the organization. External recruitment methods include job positionings, employee referrals, recruitment programs, and more. Staffing encompasses all the processes involved in the building and retaining the workforce. Then next, employee relation. This is the most important one. This can lead to lack of engagement and productivity as well as the high attrition. HR is accountable for identifying these issues through internal engagement surveys, meetings, and generally understanding the pulse of the organization. HR may also be responsible for putting systems in place that drive a heavily healthy workplace culture and address engagement and burnouts. So the employment employee relations is more important than learning and development. Nowadays, the employees are eagerly, first of all, to enter into the office and what is your goal? The HR asks the employee, what's your goal? He says, I am getting the job with continuous development and a career to me. This is the word I'm often hearing. So the learning and development is also the important one. Commonly, it is referred to as L&D. Learning and development is typically an extension of the HR department. The L&D team is responsible for providing training and professional development opportunities for employees to better perform in their current roles or advance to a new role within the organization. Without training and proper guidance, yeah, even heavy and well developed employees cannot work without the training or a guidance. The efficient workers also get lack in their work without the guidance or any training. Depending on the organization's investment and budget, L&D may offer programs for employees that support new employee onboarding, career development, leadership development, skills training, competence training, and required courses. Then Performance management. Performance management is also important types of a human resource. It will decide the employee's performance basis for his improvement in salary and career also. The performance management process is unique to each organization but generally involves assessing how employees are performing against established goals and expectations. When done effectively, the process can help employees feel more connected to how their work and contributions impact the larger business outcomes and mission of the organization. Well implemented, a performance management programs increase accountability and transparency. Finally, company culture. HR departments are not solely responsible for building company culture, but HR is fully responsible. HR only take the whole responsible for the building of culture, but it is not solely responsible or he is not only the responsible. But nowadays the HR only act as the responsible person to develop the company's culture. However, HR is uniquely positioned to set the tone and foster a positive workplace culture within an organization. From recruitment to the start of an employee relationship, HR team members are responsible for communicating the company's vision, values, and culture to candidates as well as attracting and recruiting people who are well suited to the organizational culture. HR, in a sense, lays the foundation and sets the culture expectations for an organization when new employees join the team. Means the HR may be involved in employee engagement efforts, managing employee resource groups, conflict resolution, employee communication, company events, professional developments, programs, and more. Then HR having so much of what's lot and lot, what are the tools and softwares it is used before entering on discuss about the AI, we must know what are the problems and what are the tools, what are the needs and to HR. First thing, tools and softwares, operational human resource information system. It is simply said as HRIS system used to help provide HR managers with the data they need to perform tasks such as perform management, promotions, hiring, and internal personal changes. Then next, tactical HRIS. These are more useful for making big picture decisions about things like resource allocation, job analysis, and professional development. The third thing is strategic HRIS. These systems can help This system can help raise awareness regarding available labor resources and proper workforce planning by managing data like market information and operation budgets. Comprehensive HRIS is the fourth one tools software, which these systems are considered to be a one-stop shop for storing and displaying any information needed to perform nearly all HR functions, including operational, tactical, and strategic matters. Then thinking. We are move for AI, artificial intelligence. Means we need intelligence extra than now. Thinking. Thinking is the extraordinary thing. It is not built by anyone. Why the thinking is needed? Paying attention, remembering, processing, analyzing, judging, and evaluating, reasoning, problem solving, decision making. For this, we need a natural intelligence to comprehend AI Let's first explore the concept of natural intelligence. Human intelligence is the cognitive and complex ability and has wide range of skills and capabilities. First thing is aptitude, natural ability to learn. Second thing is logical thinking, analyzing a situation to come to a conclusion. Then problem solving. When we are having a problem, we need to solve ourselves, adapt to new situations, creative thought process, emotional intelligence. It is nowadays the emotional intelligence is the must and needed one for a personal and for workplace. Learn from experience. More of the HR's L&D team are getting various ideas and strategies to control the emotional intelligence of the employees. Finally, understand complex ideas. These are the natural intelligence. Now we are seeing the natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. The another thing we hear the real intelligence. What is a real intelligence? Topmost to intelligence dealing with reality in terms of the world models and data, information, knowledge, representations for cognition and reasoning, understanding and learning, problem solving, predictions and decision making, and interaction with the environment. It is real intelligence. So, for these are the intelligence, what is the base? Our brain. The key problem is, will it ever be possible to understand the human brain? No, it is not possible. Even the scientists still have no reliable model of how the brain is actually works, and neuroscience is still in its infancy, capable of assembling a multitude of facts but struggling to determine the relationship between them. So our human brain is very, very different from others. Now we are entering the session AI applications in recruitment and talent acquisition. The recruitment and talent acquisition is the first thing in HR processes. That is the first thing, automated screening, predictive analysis, personalized outreach. The automated screening, first that is the AI powered resume parsing and candidate screening can quickly identify the most qualified applicants, reducing the time and effort. How the automated resume screening can help hiring managers with hundreds of candidates applying for the same job. Hiring managers spend endless hours scoring through resumes while following the conventional screening process. However, there's a more efficient way to do the same via automated resume screening. Hiring managers can use automated resume screening to focus on more important tasks while accelerating recruitment. So, what is automated resume scanning? Automated resume scanning. How it works? Automated resume scanning is all about automated the resume screening process with the help of AI software. Hiring managers can perform automated resume screening with the help of an application tracking system, simply says ATS, using which they can be screened thousands of resumes in no time. Some advanced ATS systems also generate ranked lists for you to select the top ranking applicants best suited for the record role. If nowadays we are seeing there is an advertisement for hiring for each small number of vacancies, the huge number of applications are inwarded. We know this is not apted for 50% of applications, but they need to join with any companies because nowadays the employees or the students they need to get a job in a reputed concern. So they only see the name of the concern, whether it is opted for us or not, they are not bothered about it. They apply. But the HR team analyze the resume means they are wasting much of times. So they need to use automated screening. This automated screening will only partially an automated process and requires one to complete a few manual steps. Certain tools used to automate a resume screening require fulfillment of certain criteria for the given job position. First one is the application tracking system. To fulfill the criteria, one needs to follow some manual steps for using the automated resume screening tool. Here are the automated resume tools and methods to use most of these application tracking system come with search functions. Uh, Now we are applied for some of our jobs. First, we enter the job criteria. Which one is related to us? So if our management people means we select the managerial roles and the accounts people select the accounts roles and the HR people select the HR roles and the IT people select the IT roles. In that place, the application must be separated to part by part. So it is easy to separate the application, whether the application for which department is. Then resume enricher. Resume enricher is another type of automated resume screening software that does things differently than ATS. This tool scans the information on the candidate's resume and searches web to find the applicant's footprints, like social media. These types of tools go through candidate social media profiles, online portfolios, and even their previous jobs to offer better insights about the candidate to the recruiters. These are the footmarks of the employees. Then AI backed scanner. AI intelligence helps you a great deal in knowing about applicants with AI. Recruiters can easily create a list of qualified applicants depending on their experience level, skills, and qualifications. Finally, outsourcing the screening process. This is a convenient screening method chosen by various companies these days. Various HR screening companies help hiring companies find the ideal candidates by performing the screening process on their own. We are seeing nowadays the high rated companies that fix the some problem, sorry, fix their some outsourcing companies are their hiring partners. Some one of the hiring partners is hiring the employees and they recommend to various companies. Wrap up. Automated resume screening has become an essential part of the modern recruitment process. It helps companies to keep qualified candidates interested while improving the overall quality of hiring. If you want to leverage a automation to the fullest, you can also switch to Turing, which relies on its reboost. Then AI powered candidate matching and ranking. Imagine having an AI assistant that can identify the perfect candidate for a role with precision or first resumes with enhanced efficiency. Sounds like something you need to stay ahead in the ever evolving world of recruitment, right? That's where Recruit CRM comes to play. A globally trusted recruiting software backed by artificial intelligence. Recently, the ATS plus CRM platform initiated some major enhancements such as the introduction of the AI candidate matching feature and upgradation of the resume parsing feature. Let's dive deep into the existing advancements. What is the candidate matching? We use the word matching. Matching means we comparing one and another and we select which one is up to us. Here, candidate matching. Candidate matching is an advanced process that employs artificial intelligence to identify candidates that closely resemble a specific ideal candidate profile. This feature is an AI recruiting software. How about the recruiting CRM's AI candidate matching feature? Recruit CRM's AI candidate matching feature uses AI capabilities to perform biometric scoring. This two-way matching algorithms is based on holistic profiles rather than a simple string of keywords, generating a match rate between two candidate profiles. Then nowadays we enter into any of the websites, we can see in the bottom of the website there is a chatbots. Why the chatbots are here? For even small companies or huge companies or big multinational companies, any one of the companies have a chatbot. What can applicant service? Here we are discussing about the HRM recruitment. What can applicant service? Applicant service chatbots do for the business quite a bit. Yeah, applicant service chatbot uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language understanding means NLU to mimic human speech. Business have been steadily adapting chatbots and incorporating them into their service models to answer applicants' questions and automated routine tasks. While chatbots have some limitations, they are not very smart yet. Yeah, that is not a smart way, but they can play a useful role when performing the right tasks to support applicants. Automated routine tasks resolve issues and answer questions, provide multilingual support, enhance applicant interactions, provide 24 into 7 support, reduce response time. These are the advantages for the chatbots. Then the next up is AI in employee onboarding and training. AI driven chatbots and virtual assets can guide new hires through the onboarding process, ensuring a smooth transition. Why? Why there is need a smooth transition? The onboarding is the first step of the employees while entering into the company. He must have the positive thought on that company. So that is the first stage and critical stage of an employee and the HR. Employee onboarding is an essential part of any organization as it helps to ensure a successful transition for new employees. It is a process that involves introducing the new employee to their role and responsibilities, as well as introducing them to the company's culture and values. AI-enabled onboarding software can help streamline the process by automating some of the more tedious tasks associated with onboarding, such as filling out paperwork and scheduling training sessions. It can also provide insights into how best to approach onboarding new employees. making it easier for employers to ensure they create an effective onboarding experience. This effective onboarding experience will give the positive thought upon the company. This will help the employees to work and he contribute his full efficient to the work. What are the benefits? Why we are use the AI powered onboard technology? Here the HR people are there, the employees are there, the company is there, the company having the rules and regulation, vision, mission, all those things are there. Then why? Why we need to use AI powered onboarding technology? AI powered onboarding technology is revolutionizing the way businesses onboard new employees by automating the hiring process and providing a digital onboarding process. Companies can save time and money while ensuring their new hires are well equipped to start working right away. The AI-based onboarding system also allows to more personalized experiences for each employee as it takes into account individual skills, preferences, and job requirements. Then, what are the types of AI-powered onboarding solutions available now? AI-powered onboarding solutions are revolutionizing the way businesses hire and orient new employees. These solutions use artificial intelligence to automate the recruitment process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. That is most important. The cost is AI-powered onboarding solutions provide a data-driven approach to recruitment, allowing companies to identify the best candidates for their organizations quickly and accurately. This can help reduce time to hire, improve quality of hire, and increase employee retention rates. Additionally, these solutions can also provide valuable insights into the performance of current employees by tracking key metrics such as engagement levels and job satisfaction. Why? The AI used for training and development. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we learn. The first thing is we onboard the employees and make the first processes for entering into the company. Second thing is we need to train and development, personalized learning. AI can use create customized training programs based on individual skills, preferences, and learning styles. Then why we are using AI? In this post, we will explore the benefits of artificial neural networks and how they have been used to create software that speeds up both your workflow and the professional development for employees. Because no matter how clever all gets, human intelligence will always be number one. Then, a few key benefits to using AI. For the learner, your employee, deliver a more personalized learning experience. Speed up the delivery of information by democratizing content on learning management systems that are easily accessible worldwide. This also aids enforcement of learning goals. Customize video content to form a more personal one-on-one connections. These are the key things helps the learner. For your L&D manager, why the L&D manager prefer the AI? Provides personalized assessment techniques, eliminating the needs of traditional, making them accessible globally and speeding up the learning process. Then, directly or indirectly, measuring how engaged your employees are. How you are engaged your employees, that is the main thing. AI is improving employee engagement and retention. The engagement of employees and the retention is the main thing because we are spending more money, time, and efficiency to hire an employee for a company for a right time, right basis, and right salary and right qualification. But we need to retain them. How? First, sentiment analysis. Second thing is personalized rewards. Third thing is predictive retention. What is sentiment analysis? AI can analyze employee feedback and communication to identify trends and potential issues, enabling proactive engagement strategies. Then, AI is improving employees' retention. First thing is career planning. The reality is the most companies don't know what they may need from employees 10 years from now. What is our need? What we want to get the things from the employees for future
So,
10
very
years.
good morning.
This is often where career progression will work. If the company can get the data, what is they would can
Okay, sir.
take from the employees, the company will fix the rewards to the employee.
That was great,
If
sir.
there is nothing to get, the company simply send him out. Then next one, identifying opportunities for growth.
Okay.
AI can be used to assess employee engagement and the quality of employee work
So,
performance
unpaid incense, what you are expecting, sir?
and can
Basically,
provide
what is
manager
unpaid about?
with timely reminders on when an employee might be ready for a new challenge
Exactly. APC charge will be there.
or if they are outgrown
No,
aspects of their role.
you're not supposed to publish.
Why?
Okay.
They need better work-life balance.
Okay.
Employees
So,
need
for example, all the journals are asked
work
for this to
and
be
life
chargeable, sir.
balance. Where
This is
the
something which is
balance
there.
is
So, what you're expecting
properly
was you're saying that only in
gained,
open journal, if they
here
have
the
to have
employee is fully
obligatory or.
satisfied and he needs to continue without any problems. Work-life balance
Mhm.
identifies the equilibrium between the individual's priorities at the work. Not only the salary and the position will give the
So, which
satisfaction,
in sense, right, authors
and
cannot
the
directly publish this
priorities
article. It
in
has to
the
be
other
published in
aspects of
journals.
the life. Work-life
So, what?
balance is one of the most important factors for employee satisfaction. The another thing is
This is
achieve
zero. It will be
equitable
completely yours.
compensation. As business
Okay.
strive to remain competitive
Not
in
because an
today's
hour you see
economic
that
and
all the journals
as
have the
there is a
costing in it, sir.
greater
So
focus
all the
on
journals they
equal
are
pay
interacted, right?
for
All the
equal
journals will have the
work,
costing in it. So
the
there is nothing
question
like free
of
journals from our end.
how to
Maybe
best
there will be minimum
compensate
cost will be
employees
there.
becomes more
That we need to
important.
check, but because you're asking for a scopus
Even
already.
the getting the pay and work and position as a equal, he needs more than others, but he need to feel as important for the company. Then improving productivity. Improving retention helps increase productivity. The retention of the employees gives the productivity for the organization because the employees are the most liked asset of the company. Any one of the companies, the
So
main
we can
asset
recommend
is
they
the
will
people's,
automatically do it and everything. So
not
that
at
will be
all.
peer reviewed journal.
But
That is
using
okay.
AI even within the hiring
Peer
process
reviewed
can
journals,
lead to
right?
improved
The
long-term
only they are
retention.
just beginning of the journal. They are just improvising the journal quality and quantity based on the accepting papers for free.
Then
Then after
AI
certain
in
time, automatically
performance
every journal,
management.
whichever
First
gets
thing,
started, right,
we
it will
onboard the
suggest you a review
employees
journal.
and
After later on, they have
we
a quantity and quality of papers. They want for it.
give
We'll
the
take that review
learning
journal.
and
So
training and
the
we
journals,
develop the
current scenarios,
employees
right, Scopus will be
and
having an indexing option.
we evaluate
Many journals,
them.
most of the
We
journals are
need to
indexing
retain
same day,
them.
not immediately. It takes some time. Maybe
Then
sometimes it's maybe 1 month or 2 months
performance
or even six
management.
months also. In certain cases,
We need to
human can
manage
specify
the
time for that
performance.
paper.
Based on the
So we can
performance,
people
we need
like
to give
journals.
the
If you are working for a
remuneration
peer
for their
review
work.
journal, we can publish it out. That will be minimum cost where we can
AI
publish.
in
Indexing
performance
part, right?
management.
We can help you for publication.
First
We'll share
thing,
you the publication link.
continuous
But indexing
feedback,
is something which is different,
goal
which we can ask
alignment,
you for the peer review journal.
bias reduction,
That is something different.
automated feedback. It is the AI. Then data driven evaluations, goal tracking, career planning. These are the performance management in AI. What is the scope? Why the
Yeah. So our journals, right, there is no related to acceptance at all because we have
why?
a direct slots with those journals.
AI
So it
powered
will take
systems
direct
can
publication.
provide real time
We have
feedback,
our own team which
coaching
will
to
work with them.
employees,
So our team will review and send the files to them. Then
driving
automatically they will
ongoing
directly
performance
publish it. There is
improvement.
no acceptance required in that those kind of things.
Goal alignment. AI can ensure employee goals are aligned with organizational objectives, improving overall productivity and impact. Then, what is the scope AI in performance management? Why we need to use first thing automated performance reviews. Business leaders love AI driven performance management. It helps them as well as team leaders to focus on factual,
We can get the acceptance
continuous, and
like we
real
will get an
time
acceptance
assessments.
like PDF file will be given. They will give us.
Modern
Saying that
and
this journal, this particular article,
elect
these are the reasons
performance
for addition. This are
management
the. They'll send you the
guides
PDF
are
file for
helpful
super sections.
in
That is will be
regular
there, but it
feedback
will be given only
sessions.
to us directly.
AI in
Yes,
performance
because as we
management
are
systems
coordinating
can
everything, so
reduce
they'll be
the
sharing to us
necessity
only directly.
and
From us, we will be taking the
burden
PDF
of
image and
rigid
sending to the
performance
WhatsApp SLs in the team.
evaluation cycles. Then learning and development. AI can easily determine the areas of improvement for various employees. It can inform the manager if an employee is lacking somewhere and how they can improve.
Which is like tech imperial you are saying.
Finally, remove bias. AI can remove some of the human bias that may present in
Because the thing is right, what
traditional
will regularly
performance
changes all the time.
evaluation,
Some
providing a
journals and from
more
Q4 it goes to
objective
Q1,
assessment
from
of
Q1 to
employee
Q3,
performance,
and every month it
easy
gets
internal
rotated, it gets
communication,
changed.
and
So there is nothing like it will be like this
query
same. It's automatically,
resolutions.
for example, maybe you would have done it in Q4. Automatically the journal
Then,
improvise in Q2 or Q1.
ethical
Automatically you have a credibility
considerations
of Q1.
in AI powered
That way.
HR.
So it is not like at the time maybe the
Ethical
journal may be into that
privacy,
process.
bias migration, transparency.
The time based it will
Privacy
change. For
ensuring
like
the
as you
responsible
know right,
use of employees'
what happens
data
now
and
Google it
protecting
gets changed.
individual privacy.
Even in some scenarios right, some journals are
Bias
not
migration
it's
addressing the
available
potential
for
for
1 2
AI
months. They have
system
been
to
maintained for 2 months.
fluctuate
They would have
or
got off.
amplify
Then after
human
sometime
biases.
again they are releasing
Transparency
it
provide
because now
clear
Scopus is doing
explanations
lots
of
of changes.
how AI is
So
used in HR decision
currently since
making
COVID they are doing
processes.
lots of things which
Here, bias and
it was
hiring.
very easy at the time actually to say
One of the primary ethical concerns in AI
now
driven
any acceptance
HR
issue everything is
processes
a question mark here.
is the
Nothing as easy
potential
as
for
cannot be made.
bias. Artificial
First thing
intelligence
is
systems
identify safety. What
learn
are
from
the things for the
historical data,
one
and
facing as
if
a
the
supervisor?
data reflects past bias or discrimination, the AI models can memorize and perpetuate these issues. For example, biased algorithms
So
in
the journals what we
recruitment
share it will be
processes
changed.
may
So Scopus, so that will not be
inadvertently
having any issue about that
favor
thing. So
contains
quartile it will change
demographics.
every time. Maybe for example, we never decide the cost based on the quartile.
Then ensuring data privacy
So
and
we just
security.
it's based on
The
the
privacy is
data which
most
they are giving to us. That
important
is we just
because the data
if it
is
is
a
Q1,
valuable
whatever
thing.
the cost is
The
there,
data must
it is
not
not
be
like it's like
stolen,
for
must
Q2
not
this is the
be
cost, Q1 this is the cost. No,
lost. AI
there is nothing
driven
cost
HR
is dependable
processes
on that particular
often
thing.
involve collecting and
And if
analyzing
they
vast
have shared you the take
amounts
KPI
of personal data.
with
Using the
renewal
privacy and
list
security
for
of this
certain information for
information
business and management
is
accounting related,
crucial to
right?
maintain trust between
So
employees and
we can help
employers.
you with the acceptance letter
Ethical
verification from
concerns
them.
arise
So
when
we don't that
employees
won't be a problem.
feel
So this is
that
what this
their
will be because you
data
can see right less
is
than this the
being
quality of
used
journal will
in
be not
ways
as good
that
as we say.
infringe
And we never suggest
upon
that
their
those things.
privacy
So we
rights.
have some quality of
They
verified. So we can't suggest the
even
low quality
trust the
journals to
companies.
all this because they are supposed to keep
Maybe the
confidential.
company is having a great background or a company is having a great brand, but the
So
employees need
right
to
as you said right now
privacy of his
you can
data.
get journals for 5,000,
He
6,000, 7,000
don't want
also,
to
but the quality of journal
lose
will
his
not be that good.
data or circulate his
So
data
still,
without his
I'll
permission.
say that if you are going
To
for
address
long-term
this,
quality thing, no,
organizations must adhere
spending few
to
thousands
robust data
will never
protection
be a big deal.
regulations and communicate
Because
clearly
you're
with
investing 8, 9
employees
thousand
about
unwantedly without
the
without
purpose
getting
and
those
scope
certain
of
journals, then
data
there's no use
collection.
of it. And also, you will not come back to us also. So that particular part we always see the
Then,
quality part.
assuring algorithmic transparency. The lack of
Okay, fine.
transparency
Discuss
in
we can
AI
discuss on that.
algorithms poses a significant ethical challenge in HR processes. Employees have the right to understand how decisions about
That
their
is a
careers
minimum
are
right.
being made. When AI models operate as black boxes, it becomes
Definitely, yes.
challenging to take the logic
Then I'll
behind
suggest you that you can go with the
certain
station
decisions,
relationship. That is the
leading
best choice for you at an
to
affordable cost
distrust
also. That is the
and
best choice also I
disbelief.
suggest you.
Promoting
So this
algorithmic
means everything
transparency
now stays
involves
at home.
providing
So
clear
the process will also
explanations
share with
of
the chatbot
how
also.
AI
They have
systems
already
make
shared you
decisions,
that process because
while
the
certain AI
process that we
models
use for the
might
access on that.
be
They have already shared. So that is also
inherently
perfectly fine.
complex. Effort should be made to simplify and communicate the decision-making process in a way
You'll be
that
sending the
is
paper to us, and once your paper has
understandable
been sent,
to
we'll
both
have our
HR
recruitment to get you the
professionals
paper
and
directly
also
from the
the
journal itself.
employees.
Because as I said, the journal will
This
have a direct
transparency
access to
not
us.
only
So
enhances
they
trust
won't
but
confuse because we
also
will be doing the main
allows
part.
for
So once it's done, we will do
accountability
the
when
if there is
issues
anything corrections are
arise.
required, we will do it from our end itself. And when then we will be sending that directly to the
Here,
journal to
the
get it corrected.
challenges and
That is no
limitations.
related to you need to wait for
What
the
are the
acceptance letter part. It will
challenges
be directly published
in
within like 15
both
days, 15
sides,
to 20
employee
maximum 20 to 25 days
engagements,
maximum.
then
20 to 25 days.
automations? What are the challenges? First one is data quality, integration, and explainability.
So that I said right, sir. That one thing
Data
I may help you with that.
quality and
That I can check,
availability.
but they will be sharing a mail to us, and I can share you that particular PDF to you, the acceptance PDF you can to you.
Ensuring the accuracy and competence
It will
of
be no not
HR
us. We will
data
not quote you, sir. It will be quoted to us, saying that
is
they mentioned that
crucial
the
for effective
journal will be
AI
there.
implication.
The below they will address for the all the authors, whoever the authors are mentioned in the paper, they will address all the authors, and in that below they will be mentioning the title of the paper as well as the
Then
journal name and journal
any
location,
of
and
the
whoever is
things
an acceptor
having
with the
both
journal editor's signature.
advantages and disadvantages. After this, we are seeing how the AI is helping the HR processes. Now we are discuss about the challenges and limitations, maybe disadvantages and challenges.
Okay, sure. Sir.
There are no
So
doubt
because
that the
I can
uses
discuss
of
you one
AI
thing,
in
sir.
HR
If
tech
you are a
improves
senior, you can just
the
tell them that
productivity of the
if they
department
are
in
into this
many
field for a
ways,
long time, obviously they will have
but there
the
are a
people will take
few
slots in
disadvantages
each
of
journals.
AI
They
in
will have slots.
HR that
Each
need to be
slot is there.
considered
There is
while
no need of
making
acceptance. It will be directly published.
decisions.
So that is why you are
First
getting
one is
only for
data
25 days.
security.
Normally, if it is go for
The
acceptance at
human
20
resource
weeks, it will be
development is
acceptance change
responsible
in
for a
2 months.
list of
And if
personal
there is
and
a
financial
as we are a
information of
staff,
their
we have to do
employees.
this review and all.
While
Then
implementing artificial
there will be
intelligence for
detection of that
data management, you
information.
need to be
Automatically,
careful
it
of
goes into
privacy
public domain. So
concerns
only you are getting
and
it within 25 days.
ensure
That
that
is the thing.
AI and HR collaboration understand data
So you
privacy
can just
while
have this
answering
word information
queries.
to your senior and check
If anyone
check about this one.
needs the
So that it will be
others
more easy for you.
income means AI should not reveal the things and
No,
data
it
to
is
them
recently or last
because they need a privacy or
Tech Imperial.
lock to
Imperial.
for the
Yes, sir.
certainty and understands skill gap.
Okay, sir.
If you intend to implement
Correct.
artificial intelligence in human resources, you need people in the organization who could
So I will suggest you a thing,
operate
sir.
those
I'll never say
tools.
no to that because cost wise you can think of it. But
The
7,000,
fastest and
8,000
most
for sure we
efficient
will not say
technology
that
will
because the
be
German quality will be on a lesser side.
of no
And
use
we will
if
never
your
take that
HR
much for
can't
because
use
once
it
for 7,000 if I
efficiently.
expected
If
and
the
I'm giving you the
HR
money, after that
having
you are not
no
satisfied, then
efficiency means
it is like a waste
in
of
the
time for you as
AI
well as me
tools is
because there is no quality.
any of
So
the
I will say you will be telling
level,
other two
the
members also, yeah,
HR
don't go with them.
efficiency
They
is
are
the
giving
most
unqualified journal.
important.
Even as you ask for 7,000, if I'm giving you that, you will also say the same.
Then
Got it, sir. But if I'm
future
giving you a
trends
proper
and
journal and with the
possibilities.
proper costing and
What
everything
are
is
the
quality,
future
what
of
will you do?
AI
You'll say that
in
they are having the
HRM?
best quality journal. You can go ahead
First
with them.
thing,
So even the cost is
hyper
also, I'll say cost is very
personalization.
minimal because actually the
AI
cost
will
is not
enable
that much.
highly
As
personalized
we are doing the
employee
slots,
experiences
we got it for
from
some 13,000 only. That's why
tailored
we are
training
keeping
to
it the same.
customized benefits. Second thing,
Got it, sir. So I'll say like
predictive
if you're going for 7 or
analytics,
3,000,
workforce
obviously you can go ahead with
analytics.
that. But I'll
AI
still say that
powered
you have to check with your
predictive
supervisors as well.
models will help
Then it's your
organizations
part you have to decide.
anticipate and plan for future workforce needs.
Okay, sir.
The
Thank you.
third
Nice
thing is
question.
AI
Nice question.
driven talent marketplaces. AI will facilitate the matching of employees to gig work opportunities, enhancing workforce
Okay, sir. So I need to check on
agility.
it because, as I said, right, it's a direct publication.
Then
So I need to
future,
check is there
in
any
future,
related
what will the
sections
future
we
for
requested from the
AI?
client. We have to check that because
Now
we are
we are
not
using the AI.
we should not say that it will
Is
be
it
easy
not only
because
the nowadays?
most
The
of this.
AI is a long-term process. Okay. Now, what will the future of AI in HR look like? Today, AI
Yes,
in HR
please.
refers to the use of advanced self-learning algorithms analytics to generate insights
Sir,
and
one thing I always say,
recommendations of
for example, I'll say
automate
iPhone,
tasks.
everyone can get it.
As
Current iPhone
AI
case maybe for 11 or
evolves,
something like that. The
HR
same copy you can get
systems
it for 1,500
that
or 2,500.
use it
But
can
quality is
also
always a
get
copy.
increasingly powerful.
Got it right?
For
Quality
an
is something else always.
example,
Quality is something
five
which is
years
different.
ago,
Trust is
AI-based
something different.
HR
But
system
let me see
could
because I can't give you an assurance on the cost compromise. But let me have a word
possibly
with this
auto
chat support to help you with that.
recommended the 10 candidates for a job. Now it can generate scores that indicate exactly how aligned the candidates
Then I'll
is
suggest you,
with
so you
the
can take
roles
this
requirements.
journal, right?
The
Once you
future
open
of
up this,
AI
it will
in
show, right?
HR
Q4, Q2,
looks
Q1, Q3,
promising.
Q4, Q1. It will be like this every month.
For
It
instance,
just changes on.
AI algorithms get more accurate and provide smarter
Probably those
insights.
details are already shared in your chat itself, sir. Maybe I can
Data
just,
hosting to feed
I'll
AI
say for your
engineers
convenience,
gets
rest
more
of journals are
affordable.
little higher on it.
AI frameworks become available in the open source domain to help HR technology developers. Optimization
Yes, yes, you're
organizations
right, sir.
get
Few
more
students are having the little
digitally
cost as per your budget. Rest of all are above
mature to support
maybe around 20
AI
25,000. So it will be a little
in
bit higher side.
applications and
That's why
adoptions.
we didn't suggest you that.
In future,
These two are cost
we can
affordable
expect
as well as it will
advancements
be
in
easy for you to
AI
access on it.
technology. How that it will not only shortlist candidates, but it will also
Sure, sir. I'll have a
select
word
and
with my seniors to
automatically
go over that.
hire
I'll
and
also suggest you a
onboard
message
the
in the same
right
journal only.
person for the job, at least for routine
But let
entry
me see, sir,
level
what the best
roles.
I can see out and I'll let you know.
And this is just one
Sure.
example of
Thank you.
what AI
Sure, sir. Thank
can
you, sir. Have
do
a good day.
at scale. AI's impact extends to reality every field of HR, from employee management to performance management and data related activities. Applications of AR, applications of AI in HR, which is the emerging trends nowadays.
அதனால புடிங்கன்னு சொன்னா அப்புறம் அது அதையே ரிலீஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு.
AI-driven hiring will become the default mode of recruitment. For any HR department, the most time-consuming activity in the hiring process continues to be the review of resumes, identifying the perfect candidate.
புரியாதவங்க பேசுறது.
Uh, excuse me,
இல்ல
please
அவன்
mute
ஆக்சுவலா
your.
கால்ல இருக்கவன் என்ன பண்ணானா, அவன் வேற லாங்குவேஜ்காரன். அவன் சைனாக்காரனை கூப்பிட்டு அவன் பாஷையில பேசுற மாதிரி
Hello,
சைனா லாங்குவேஜ் கிண்டல் பண்றனா
hello.
கடைசியில
Can you
அவங்க
mute
அக்கா
your
தான்
mic?
முடிச்சுட்டு போகும்போது அப்படின்ட்டு ஏதோ அப்படின்ட்டு கட்டிட்டு போவோம் பாருங்க. லாஸ்டா போறேன்.
Hello,
இந்த தடவை நம்மளத்தான் வந்து குத்து விளக்கு போடுவாங்க.
hello.
போடுவாங்க ஏன்னு கேளுங்க. நேற்று சொல்லும் போது என்ன சொன்னாங்க, ஆனுவல் டேக்கு யார் எண்ணத்துல இருந்தாரோ அதை அப்படியே பிரின்சிபல் போட சொல்லியிருக்காருன்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஆமா ஸ்டேஜ் நாம போடுவாங்க. நாம பிளான போட்டு போடணும் மனசுல வச்சுக்கணும். அது போட மாட்டாங்க.
Hello, Gauri
ஓ
ma'am.
அப்பா
Hello. Gauri ma'am, please mute your mic.
அது வேணா
Gauri ma'am. Hello.
ஒன்லி அவைலபிள் வேற எங்கும் கிளைகள் இல்லை.
Hello.
அருகே வரையா ரோமா
Hello. Hello.
உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல அட்மிஷன் கேட்டுருக்காங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க. நீங்க பிள்ளைங்க பஸ் உங்க பிள்ளைங்க சேரணும்னு சொன்னீங்க. அதுக்கு இல்ல, அதாவது மற்ற காலேஜ் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ஃபீஸ் கம்மி. வெளியில இருக்கிற பிள்ளைங்க ஃபீஸ் கட்ட
Hello.
மாட்டாங்க. சேர்த்து விடுவாங்க.
இல்ல சார், அவங்க அந்த கௌரிங்கிறவங்க வந்து செஷன்ல இல்ல, அவங்க எங்க வெளியே வந்துட்டு ஏதோ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. செஷன் எல்லாம் போயிட்டே இருந்தது, திடீர்னு அவங்க ரொம்ப சவுண்டா பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க.
நான் மியூட் பண்ணிடுறேன். இல்ல நான் மியூட் பண்ணிட்டேன். I've done it from my end. Okay. No issues, sir. Please, sir. In case ஏதாவது இல்லைனா you just ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் difficulty இருந்தாலும் just always you can ring this number, sir. நான் கண்டிப்பா thank you, sir. மேம் அந்த நிருபன் கிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். நிருபன் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, அவருக்கு வந்து அந்த காஸ்ட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியானா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு கேட்குறாரு. ஒன்று நான் சொன்ன காஸ்ட் இதுவே லீஸ்ட், இதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் 20,000 மேலே இருக்கும். சரி சார், வேறு ஏதாவது ஜேர்னல் இருக்கா, டெக்கே பேர் இல்லாமல், டெக்கே பேர் ஆனல்ஸ் இல்லாமல் மல்டி டிசிப்ளின் ஜேர்னல் இருந்தாலும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க எனக்கு அப்படின்னாரு. சரி சார், நான் இல்லை இதுக்கு நான் சொல்கிறேன், இதுவே லீஸ்ட்டு, இதுக்கு மேலே நீங்கள் பண்ண 20 above தான், அது ஓகேவா சார்? இல்லை சார், எனக்கு இதே ஒரு பர்சன் வந்து என்னோட காலேஜில் பண்ணுறாங்க, 8 campus 8 இருக்குது சார், அப்போ தாராளமாக நீங்கள் எனக்கு எடுத்துக்கலாம், நான் வேணாம் சொல்லுவேன். ஆனால் அது கூட குவாலிட்டி.
Sir, I personally request you to kindly remove such participants, sir, those who are creating disturbance, because we have joined this session to learn something, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
சரி சார், ஓகே, நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் காஸ்ட் ஏதாவது இது பண்ண முடியுமா நீங்கள் ஒன்ஸ் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க. டீம் நான் போட்டுக்கிறேன், உங்களுக்கு நான் போட்டுக்கிறேன், போட்டு டேக் பண்ணி அந்த போட்டிருக்கேன். ரெண்டாவது வந்து அவர் வந்து நமக்கு அக்செப்டன்ஸ்க்கு ஏதாவது கிடைக்குமான்னு கேட்டார். இல்லை சார், இது வந்து டேரக்ட் பப்ளிகேஷனு சொல்லிட்டேன். 60 days அக்செப்டன்ஸ் தான் 60 days. இது டேரக்ட் பப்ளிகேஷனால 25 daysல முடிஞ்சிடும். ஸோ அதனால் தேவைப்படாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். சரி, நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்கள் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் லிஸ்ட்டு ஷேர் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அந்த டிஸ்கவுண்ட்டுமே இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாளைக்கு தான் இருக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டேன், இன்கேஸ் கொடுத்தாலுமே.
Sorry for the inconvenience caused.
மேம் இது புக்கிங்
Is it audible, sir? Is it
Yes, sir. You are
audible?
very much
Yes,
audible, sir.
sir. Yes,
You are very much
Yes,
audible,
sir.
sir. Please continue, sir.
Yes, sir. The unexpected things are happened. Sorry. Yeah. Now we are discussing the future and trends. Mm, Now we discuss something about the future trends, emerging trends, applications of AI in HR. AI-driven hiring will become the default mode of recruitments nowadays. Whether we are apply in any of the small business or small organizations means we just enter with the AI. For any HR department, the most time-consuming activity in the hiring processes continues to be the review of resumes, identifying the perfect candidate with the required abilities and experience amongst hundreds of resumes is the most difficult aspect of recruitment. If any other company offer any job means the hundred of resumes are inverted. That is the first problem to solve the HR. Sorry, face the HR. Employee onboarding process will be predominantly automated, verifying documents, induction and orientation, organizing meetings with new employees, handling administrative tasks like creating ID cards and other such documents, handling IT device and network access queries, then learning and development. In the sense of learning and development, the AI platform will interpret another function that can very easily and effectively leverage AI technology. AI tools and AI-based software can be used to design and customize learning programs for individuals based on their unique requirements and competence, enabling employees to learn more efficiently and enhance their skills. HR chatbots. These are the trends nowadays we are seeing in HR processes. Employee engagement is a discipline into itself, and monitoring and evaluating worker sentiment on a daily basis is a competence of this science. Employee referrals will be more accurate and predictable. Streamlining referrals is most among the new trends in HR practices using AI. Human resource information systems HRIS will be more effective and beneficial. The dynamic relationship of AI with the data management systems offered significant implications for large-scale HRIS installations. AI will improve employee productivity and performance management. Every individual brings unique abilities, interests, and attitudes to his position. Then case studies. The case studies and best practices are lot in online. While we enter in the Google or any other search engines, just we type. We need to learn the case studies on AI. Unilever's AI-powered recruitment, Senator Electric personalized learning, Microsoft's AI-driven retention strategies. These are some studies. Now I give you three case studies showing AI power in simplifying recruitment. These are for an example, not at all exact thing. GR8 people gets GR8 talent to art chilling. Challenging. What are the challenges when we are getting into the HR means providing quality candidates recommendations to recruiters was the focal point of the company. They need a solution to exact candidates information from resumes into field created for skills, education, experience, qualifications, conduct details, and much more. Solution. What are the solutions they need? Archili's resume processor helps the company parse resumes for any document format, be it PDF, RTF, docs, HTML. Bulk upload makes it easy to parse resumes on a large scale. Real-time parsing helps in providing quick candidate recommendations to recruiters. What is the result for that? Their consistent and scalable mechanism, quality and relevant talent recommendations. The application process become easier for candidates as well as recruiters. Second thing, first job increases recruitment efficiency through chatbot. While they are entering to increase the recruitment process using the chatbots, they meet the challenge. An online recruitment firm, recruiters at first job were preoccupied with managing talent pool and could not pay attention to interviews and closing offers. They made a solution. They introduced a chatbot, Maya, to their system. Maya can communicate with numerous candidates at once and ask them pre-screening questions. Half of a recruiter's job is automated as the chatbot answers candidates' questions and alerts them when a job question is filled up. They get a results of an increase in recruiters' efficiency by 38%. Up to 75% of the qualifying process is automated. An increase in job engagement process by 150 percentage. Then the third case study, Unilever finds top talent with Have You. They met a challenge. Took 4 to 6 months to recruit 800 candidates from 25,000 applications. The team was following the traditional process of screening candidates on phones and doing manual assessments. A big change was must awaited. That is not easy to get 800 candidates from the 25,000 candidates. They got a solution. HireView introduced video interviews to promote an engaging candidate's experience. HireView assessments are also able to filter around 80% of the talent pool. This is done using data points such as body language, facial expressions, etc. And they got the results of 90% reduction in hiring time, 16% increases in delivery hires, $1 million annual cost savings for that company. These are the three cases for examples. Like this, the number of cases in the online. If we want to know something about the AI, just I am giving in the workshop in an outline only. The AI is a great thing that is not learned by a session. That is the biggest thing. So I just give you an outline of the AI using an HRM in this session. I hope this will be useful to you for a startup learning of the AI using HRM. If you have any questions, Any suggestions on this workshop, or you are having any doubts?
Sir, I have a query related to AI. Sir, you have discussed about AI and its various applications, but my personal suggestion is, sir, why are we not focusing on the quality system that need to be introduced in AI, sir?
AI is not AI is used for the quality and um, sorry, ask again, sir. Come again.
Sir, my question is, we have discussed about AI and its applications, right? As far as the
Yes,
recruitment
sir.
is concerned. But sir, the thing is that why are we not focusing about the quality system that need to be introduced in AI, sir?
Yes, sir.
The
Sure. The
quality system.
AI is, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is AI, filtering the quality. First, it filtering the resumes as per the requirement of the companies. They need education qualification, age, sex, and other things, basic needs. First, it is screening that. After that, it will get the qualified also, sir. The AI is used for getting the qualification, sorry, qualified resumes also.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sir, your presentation and your thought of teaching, delivering the speech is a good one, sir. We are get a more of knowledge about the AI in HRM, sir. Thank you for your presentation, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt about AI in HRM, sir. If AI take all over the places in HRM means it will be a satisfaction to the company. It means all over the HRM from the people to company means AI will give a full satisfaction to the company because of receiving the informations from the clients or customers or whatever anything to the company side. It can be a satisfaction one, it can be as a high level, it means a growth or whatever, sir.
Yes, sure, sure, sir. For overall viewing, the AI is using for a company. It is useful for the company. This is useful for the HR. Not only that, if we need to apply or for a vacancy, we just go to the company and we get the details of the company from HR peoples. We need some time to spend for that. In nowadays, we are not no having any sufficient time for searching some of the jobs. So the AI is helping the employees also. Those who want the jobs, they go to the websites of the companies. There the AI is available. Not only the employees' details transfer to the company, the company's details also transfer to the employees also. What is the queries of the employees? He will get within a second for not losing his cost and time. So both of them, not only the company, the employee also gaining some savings of cost and time using the AI. Because without AI, we cannot apply any of the jobs. Just we enter your application means that is a name. While you click the cursor to the place, automatically it says type in caps. That is AI. Then we were having any queries or questions means every page is having Q&A session chatbot. So we can get the access 24 into 7. There is no limited, no limited for time. So that is very useful to employees also. The AI is not only used for the company, even the students can also use the AI. AI is the first starting, we are using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is for just basic
Sir, and
to get,
moreover also, sir, and
yes.
moreover also the recent news of I heard and I saw that a school student have created a AI teacher, artificial intelligence teacher also, sir. It can be taking more
Yes, sir.
over places, sir.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
sure.
and I have one more doubt, sir. I have saw and read an article about AI. Some of the peoples can be preferred from your point of view, sir. They are not time to go to the company and get the informations. Like 80 percentage of the people, sir, 20 percentage of the people want to go to directly and get the information from them, because some of the websites can be as an old or whatever anything. It can be not developed or whatever anything, sir. But 80 percentage of the people can be go to the website like you says chat GPT or whatever anything in AI, sir. 20 peoples can be preferred to the company also, sir.
Yes, sir, sure, sir. The 20% of people go to the companies directly. But I ask, the
Hmm.
company is not willing or not able to update their websites means what is the improvement in future of the company? Then why we need to go there? If we need a job, not only for money, not only for a salary, we need to develop our career. So we select the company. First, you visit the website. Which of the company is updating daily and updating frequently? That is the developing company. So we need a job from a company means we need to approach a developing company only.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Even yes, sir. Even some of the companies having no need to for a website, but it is a powerful companies, but no need of website updations. But that is rare. My simple advice is you just go for if you need a job from a company means you go and view the website. Which one of the company website is updated? The company is developing company. It's a live company. You can trust them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for clearing my doubts, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you share the PPT to us for the knowledge, reference knowledge, sir?
Sure, sure, sir. I will share the PPT to our host, sir. They will share it groups, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions or queries?
Hello, sir. Is my voice audible? Hello, sir. Hello.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Thank you for the wonderful session. I have three queries to be conveyed. And first thing is, how long it will take to get trained for an employee or a HR towards AI? Will it disturb a traditional AI process? The second one is, how is the attrition rate right now compared to before after implementing AI? Because there is a controversy like unemployment may be a cause or it may be a price or that kind of track. So I just want to know the attrition rate. And the third is, how good is the security when it comes to data science and all? How far the security is handled when it comes to AI implemented to HR and HR process. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Your first query is AI is getting time. AI is if normal hiring process when we are seeing the AI is not using small middle level or small level companies. The large companies using the AI for huge number of applications inwarded while they need to screening the resumes and saving their times. So AI is used to reduce the time, then the manual screening. The time is not specified because the that depending upon the number of resumes. But I just say the case study, the need of 800 vacancies, 25,000 applications are inbounded. in that place the AI is using. Then second thing, um, in nowadays all of the companies are using, mostly the companies using AI in HRM. While we are saying that unemployment, yes, you are saying unemployment. Unemployment is a word that is using for so many reasons, but I don't use that word because I'm a professor and I'm also a placement officer in a college. I got the placements 100% to my students. There is number of lot of employments out there, but the students are not willing to avail because their expectations are high. They are not know even what are his studying and what is the scope and what is the future. That learning process is differ, but employments are huge, a number employments are vacant in nowadays also. There is no word to say unemployment. If we need a job means we can grab it or we can made it. There's lot of entrepreneur opportunities are there. The governments are also ready to help the students and the entrepreneurs. Lot. So for these things, the AI is very useful too for both in not only in HRM, in all what's the AI is useful now.
And அந்த குவாலிட்டிக்கு ஐ given you for some certain package because I want to understand. So உங்களோட அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் ஓகே ஐ கேன் டூ சம்திங் பெட்டர். எடுத்தோடனே ஒரு பொருளுக்கு வந்து அது வாட்டர்
Thank you, sir. I have asked about attrition rate and security as well, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I just got it. That security is nowadays the AI is secured, but the crackers also intelligence. So how can some companies the data were secured and some rare cases the data are not secured, but that is a rare cases.
எவ்வளவு தூரம் உங்களோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸை ஷோகேஸ் பண்றீங்களோ அந்த சேம் யூ வில் கெட் இட். அந்த நம்பிக்கையில தான் இல்லை ஆக்ஷன் ஸ்பீக்ஸ்
But the data are secured only, ma'am, because the data are security password enabled, so that is secured. That no other outpersons can use the company's data. So that is fully secured only.
clear பண்ணணும் சர்வீஸ் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். So I'll say right here you don't have a target person. இல்ல இப்போ எடுப்பீங்களான்னு கேக்குறேன். டெலிகாலிங்னா that will be
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ஆனா அங்க
Yes, ma'am.
And
Thank you,
regarding
ma'am.
institution rates, sir.
will that be possible? ஏன்னா அதுக்குன்னா உங்களுக்கு இமிடியேட்டாவே எது இருக்கும் அதுக்கான ரெமுனரேஷன் இருக்கும்.
Then any questions, ma'am?